We're going on a bear hunt. We're catching on a big one. One of you did one day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, Grant. A dog, Grant.
I thought it was a cave. A dark cave.
We can't go. No, don't say it.
Okay.
With me.
Okay.
We can't go over it. We can't go over it. Oh no, we gotta go through it. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that? One shiny nose, too big for your eyes, too big for your ears, too big mouth. It's a bear.
Quick!
Back to the cave.
Back through the snowstorm.
Swish, 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 swish.
Quick! Back through the forest.
Stumble trip, stumble trip.
Back through the field.
Swish, 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 swish.
Back to our house.
Open the door, shut the door. Boom.
Run upstairs.
Shut the door. Boom.
Run upstairs.
Shut the door. Boom.
Then what do? Run upstairs. Get in bed.
We're not going.
Pull up the covers.
I did.
And then what?
Boom.
We're not going on a bear hunt again.
Hey, can I see the video?